Alright guys, welcome back and let's learn lesson 8. Okay. Sağa başlayalım. 8. dersini biteli. 8. ders qanday desanglar, o'xshashlar biz 7. ders degan muhim uqumlarni teg'in puxtalaydigan, teg'in mashq qiladigan ders. Amcha bugungi darsimizda what's your job? Okay, what is your job? Okay, nimda bo'lganda what is your job deganimiz hamda sizning xizmatingiz nima? Okay, your job xizmatingiz nima? Okay, hamsa bir necha xizmat bor ekan, o'rganib o'taylik. Okay, birinchi rezinda ko'rinib turadimi? Policeman. Okay, policeman. Okay, ma'no police. Okay, policeman. Good. Oxiri nima desanlar man deganda policeman. Okay. Policeman degan nima desanlar saqchi. Orada arsaqchini ko'rsatdi. Endi men oldingi police deganimiz savoldoshlar. Saqchi degan gap man degancha demakchi policeman deganimiz arsaqchi. Okay, policeman. Endi sabablar men bo'lsam bir arsaqchi. Nima? I am policeman. Okay. Endi u bo'lsa arsaqchi. Endi u deganimiz shu arsaqchilar arada shu deymiz-ku. He is policeman. Demak ham demayarki, uchinchi shaxs birligini keldi BPLning is keladi. Shunama he is policeman. Agar savolga aylantirsak-chi, is he policeman? Is he policeman? Okay. Next one is police woman. Okay. Police woman. Okay. Police saqchi. Endi demayarki, woman deganimiz ayol. Okay. Police woman bo'lsa nima? Masalan, ayol saqchi. Okay, ayol saqchi. Ayol saqchini deymiz, police woman. Qaranglar bu rasmdagi u bo'lsa bir ayol saqchi. Okay. Shunami? She is police woman. Shunami? U bo'lsa bir ayol saqchi. Endi u ayol saqchimi desak-chi? Is she police woman? Okay, is she police woman? Okay, is she police woman? Police woman again. Ayal saqchi. Okay. Next one is taxi driver. Okay. And qarasanglar taxi. Okay, taxi driver. Okay, driver deganimiz haydovchi chauffeur. And the taxi chauffeur's name is taxi driver. Okay, look, he is, right? He is a taxi driver. Okay, he is a taxi driver. Okay, and so u bo'lsa bir yangi taksi chauffeur. U bo'lsa yangi bo'lsa, he is a new taxi driver. Okay, he is a new taxi driver. He is a new taxi driver. Okay, next one is air hostess. Good. Air hostess. Okay. Endi bu yerga host deganimiz hamda sahibxon degan gap. Hostess deganimiz oxiri ess qitilgani odatda ayollarni ko'rsatib, hostess degan ayol sahibxon. Endi avvalgi ayol sahibxon bo'lsin bo'ldi. Avvalgi ayol sahibxon. Bu shu aeroplan kutuvchi, aeroxon qizni deymiz, air hostess. Air hostess. Masalan, temir yo'lda ishlaydiganlarni to'mo'xon desak, hava yo'lda ishlaydiganlarni nima deymiz? Havoxon. Shunga o'xshash air hostess. Air hostess? Okay. Bu nima desam, aeroxon qiz. Ammo baqlar, u bo'lsa qana aeroxon qiz. She is an air hostess. Okay, nima uchun n deymiz deganda, ama air bu bas so'zliq tavishdan tuzilgan. Bas so'zliq tavish qaysi? A E I O U. Okay, bu bas so'zliq tavishdan tuzilgan nima desam? An air hostess deymiz. All right. Next one is postman. Okay, endi men yerga post. Balkim sağlash ko'rgan bo'lishi mumkin. Jungo yo'jan, Jungo pochtasidan ustida China Post deb yoziladi. Shunami? Men yerga bular post degan so'z-chi. Okay. Endi postman bo'lsa nima desam? Pochtkash, pochtalyon. Okay, pochta yetkazib turadigan deymiz. Postman. Qaranglar, he is a postman. U bo'lsa bir pochtkash. Okay? And xizmetingiz nima? Uning xizmeti nima degan deymiz? What is his job? Okay? What is his job? Okay? So u bo'lsa pochtalyon. He is a postman. He is a postman. Okay. Next one is nurse. Okay? Nurse. Okay. And the nurse, qaranglar, kim ekan? Nurse. Sister. Okay, she is a nurse. Okay. And uning xizmati nima? What is her job? And nima yerga uning, masalan, ko'pincha ayollarning, qizlarniki nima? Her. O'g'illarning bo'lsa yoki erlarning bo'lsa his. What is her job? Okay, uning xizmati nima? What is his job? Esa she is a nurse. Okay, u bo'lsa nima? Sister. Okay. Next one is mechanic. All right, mechanic. Qarang, mechanic. Tovush urg'o'nab tushdi desanlar, tushdi. Nima? Mechanic. All right, mechanic. Xo'sh, endi mechanic degan rasmni ko'rinib turibdi nima desanlar, texnik xodim, mexanik yoki remotchi. Shuni deymiz mechanic. Masalan, men bo'lsam mechanic. I am mechanic. I am a mechanic. Okay, u bo'lsa remotchi. He is a nima mechanic. U bo'lsa nima desanlar, remotchi. Nima qilib chiqadi? Okay, a mechanic. Bo'ldi. Remote chiqadi. Okay, next one, hairdresser. Okay, hairdresser. Okay, endi men yerga hair deganimiz nima desanlar, chot dresser. Okay, and dresser degan paraz qo'yguchiga kirib qo'yguchi. And the hairdresser was nima? Satrach. Okay, satrach. Okay, chach yasashi yoki satrach. Endi qaranglar, u bo'lsa bir chach yasashi yoki satrach. Nima? She is hairdresser. Okay, she is hairdresser. Okay, she is hairdresser. She is a hairdresser. And so, is she a hairdresser? Is she a hairdresser? Must be in all the way. Okay, next one is housewife. Okay, house degan oldin qadimlagan uy degan gap, shunami? Wife deganimizchi ayol. Okay, housewife postma. Uy ayoli yoki oila ayoli. Uyda turgan ayollar nima deymiz? Housewife deymiz. Housewife. Qaranglar, uchi she is a housewife. Okay, she is a housewife. U bo'lsa bir uy ayoli. Okay, u uy ayolimi? Is she a housewife? Okay, is she a housewife? Uy ayolimi? Shunami? Okay, next one is milkman. Okay, milkman. Okay, endi men yerga milk, sut. Shunami? Men degan odam. Demakchi shu Adam, sutchi, nima? Milkman. Good. Nima deymiz? Milkman. Good. Milkman. Milkman degan shu sut yetkazib turadigan, sutadigan odam nima deymiz? Milkman. Okay, milkman. Okay, u bo'lsa, uning xizmati nima? What is his job? What is his job? Okay, nima? He is a milkman. U bo'lsa nima? Sut to'shig'ichi, sut yetkazgichi. All right. Amsa bugungi mashq darsimizda o'sha keyingi bu mashqlarniki bir ishlab berganlar sog'lashda. Avval qaranglar, mushu birinchisi Mao. Okay, bir ulgu misol ekan. Qaranglar, my name Xiaohui. Endi mushunaqa BPL ni yozganmiz. BPL degani nima? Amazon. Amazon emas, my name, mening ismim. Okay, mening ismim men emas. Agar men bo'lgan bo'lsa nima? I. Endi mening ismim bo'lgan ekan nima? U uchinchi shaxs bo'ladi-da hamda. Agar siz emas, agar siz olsangiz, siz anglayapsizmi men gapimni? Demak, siz degan ikkinchi shaxs bo'ldi. Endi mening ismim, demakchi men yana bir narsani sizga tilg'ayapman, shunami? Men emas, men o'zimning ismini sizga deb turyapman. Demak, mening ismim bo'lgan ekan nima desanglar? Is. Okay, my name is Xiao Hui. Okay, my name is Xiao Hui. Okay. Endi macho Chinese I. I bilan birga mango va mango birga kelgan BPL. Okay. I am Chinese. Şunama? I am Chinese. Şunçilik asana. Okay, hamısı mana qaranglar. Birincisini nə deyirsən? My name. Okay, my name şunçaq soldu. Bunun qırıb gəlsə, my name is Robert. Okay, my name is Robert. I am a student. Ben bolsam bir nima o'quvchi. And I Italian. Okay. I bilan menga kelgan narsami billah? I am. Okay. I am. Okay, shunami? I am Italian. Men bolsam bir italiyalik. Okay, endi yana bir savol so'rabdi mendan. Ma'lum davlatning masalan Italiya bu qanday sifat bo'ladi deb. Okay, qanday sifat bo'lmaydi? Masalan, sifat degan shu ismni qanday qildirsangiz sifatlab kelishunami? Masalan, student, o'quvchi bu ism shunami? Hani bu işten aldır kilalisa, süpetlep kilalisa, mesela iştaliyalik o'quvchi. Demek ki bir yer tavallik indi. Şunda o süpeti nima iştaliyalik, Amerikalik, Angliyalik. Bu Uyg'ur tilida süpet bu. Angliyalik, iştaliyalik. Demek bir yer tavallik indi. Demek ma'no nima desanglar, mesela Italian degan süpet, şuna I am Italian. Herkes I am an Italian. Okay. Okay, I am Italian. Okay, okay, endi ikkinchisi mesela Sophie, uchinchi shaxs birlik. Xo'sh. Endi uchinchi shaxs birlik kelganda nima yari? Nima qilish kerak? Uchinchi shaxs birlik kelganda is o'xshash nima? Is not Italian. Okay, she is French. U nalik Fransiyalik. Okay, endi nima keyingisi yo'q. Mesela Mr. Blake. Okay, Mr. Blake. Qaysi tanlaymiz? Mr. Blake. Okay, uchinchi shaxs birlik. Is my teacher. He is not French. Okay. Endi bu B'ga qarasanglar, bu B'da nima desanglar, boshqa bir example yuritdim, o'sha example'ni to'g'rilaplashsang bo'ldi. Janalma, bu example masalan keyboard operator, okay, keyboard operator, qizchaq to'g'ri? Masalan so'raganda uning xizmati nima? Masalan, what's her job? Okay. Is she a keyboard operator? Okay, endi u mush keyboard operator mu deb bir so'raymiz. Ha, shunda. Yes, she is. Shu. Okay, agar engineer bo'lgan bo'lsa, masalan bir action desak, what is his job? Okay, uning xizmati nima? Okay, is he an engineer? U bo'lsa bir injenermi? Yes, he is. Okay, shu. Xo'sh, asma qog'ozlarni birlikda ishlab boqaylik. Hey, mana chiqmaydi. Okay. Masalan policeman shunami? What is his job? Actually, is he a policeman? Yes, he is. What about policewoman? What is her job? Is she a policewoman? Yes, she is. Okay. Aldan qadamli qiyasini ta'kidlagan savolda masalan she is demiş ki yes, she is. Yes, she is a policeman demek. Policewoman demaymi deganda. Chunki bu policewoman degan birinchi jumlada chiqib bo'ldi, hamda bu ikkinchi jumlada yana qaytalashdan qanday hojati yo'q. Okay. Endi bu taxi driver ma'no ishlab berganlar. Taxi driver action deb turlar. Andaqsima what is indaymiz? His job. Shunami? What is his job? Is he a taxi driver? Chiqib bo'ldi mana. Okay. What is his job? Is he a taxi driver? Yes, he is. Sure. What about air hostess? Air hostess adatda nima desanglar? Ayol. Aeroxon qiz nima? Unda bo'lgan ekan, uning xizmati nima deganda? Her nima? What is her job? Uning xizmati nima? U aeroplan kutkuchisimu? Is she an air hostess? Yes, she is. Mana qaranglar. What is her job? Miyarki her. Okay, miyarki her savolashlar. Qiz ayollarga her. Bizda kerak his. Agar actual class jo his. Shunami? His. What is her job? Is she an air hostess? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Okay. All right. Hamsa bugungi darsimiz mushagicha bo'lsin. Topshiriq valla. Sizlar shu nimaninki mashqninki oxirini 4-chi ishlab o'tdik-ku. Oxirini to'liq ishlaysizlar. Uniki so'zligini cho'qim 10 qatim ko'chirish, tekstni yodlash. Tekstni vaqti yodlab o'tamiz, tekstni vaqti yodlab o'tamiz bo'lmaydi. Sizlarning bir kitobni yodlaganinglar valla 10 kitob o'rganganinglarda a'lo. Tushundingizmi? Bir kitob yodlaganinglar 10 kitob o'rgangandan, ko'rabda o'rgangandan yodlaganinglar. Chunki bu nima desam, til. Yodlanglar. Yodlab bizdan ki bu shaptinki, shu ovoz qaytirish iqtidorini yodlab bersanglar, biz shuni ko'rib, shularni tanlab sizlarga mukofot berib beramiz. Qani? Okay. That's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.